Hello, Valle Cardinals. Welcome to College Chats with Mr. Perez. I am your college and career advisor here at Del Valle High School, and I'm super excited to start the year with you again. All right, so today we're going to answer the big question. Mr. Perez, how do we send transcripts and fee waivers to our colleges? All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So please follow along in this video. This is a very important video for you guys to watch if you don't want to pay. Okay. So, first things first, I need you to go ahead and log into your class link. After you get to your class link, you're going to find the app that says School Links. It's a yellow app. It used to be green, but now it's yellow because they did a rebrand. When you get logged into your School Links app, you're going to see this screen over here, okay? So, also, if you don't see the School Links app in ClassLink, you can just go to Google and type in School Links and you'll be able to log in there, okay? So, it's going to bring you to this screen right over here, and you're going to get all these tabs to your left. So where it says student, explore, plan, engage, career, and college, you're going to click the college tab right here. So when you click the college tab, you'll go to college applications, all right? Hit college applications, and it's going to bring you to this screen right here. This is literally how we're going to be tracking your college applications. This is like, you have to do this, guys, for me, because this is how I'm going to be able to send your fee waivers and transcripts to universities, okay? And I know like some of it might, for some of us, it might be a financial barrier. So like really paying attention to this video will help you so you don't have to pay for those fees. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure to fill this out. Then you're going to hit next. And then this is the application fee waiver part, okay? So make sure if you qualify for a fee waiver, you're going to check off one of these. So if you have got an ACT or an SAT fee waiver, if you're on free reduced lunch, if you're on housing assistance, if you are a ward of the state or an orphan, if you are ever in foster care or the fear of being homeless, if you are in a TRIO program like Upward Bound and Talent Search, any of those can qualify you to receive a fee waiver. You'll check off all that matter, but make sure to check one that that applies to you. If not, go ahead and hit none of the above. Also, guys, an easy way to get a fee waiver is making sure you do your a free lunch application, because a lot of us do qualify for free lunch here. So if you do, make sure for you seniors do the free lunch application and get with the main office and they can show you how to do it, okay? So we're going to say that we're on free or reduced lunch. We're going to hit next. Next part is FERPA. So FERPA gives you the right to review your letters of recommendation if you're enrolled in college that saves the recommendation, or if you're 18 years or older, okay? So, waiving your rights lets colleges know that you don't intend to read your letters of recommendation, which helps reassure colleges that the letters are candid and they're truthful. If you choose not to waive your rights, some recommendations may decline to write a letter for you, and some colleges may disregard letters submitted on your behalf, okay? If you need to know a little bit about FERPA, here's an article right here for you to understand what FERPA is. So in order for me to really like send your stuff, like your like fee waivers, your transcripts, you have to waive your FERPA rights. However, we can also do it the hard way as well, and I don't know if we both want to go through that. So it's really up to you. But like I said, make sure if you want me to send your stuff to waive your FERPA rights. And if you literally need to know a little bit more and you want to do your research, right here is going to help you understand what FERPA is. So after you do that, you're going to type in your name. You'll hit understand, and then you're going to sign the waiver. So now we can finish up setting up. Next thing, if you look on your left right here, it's not going to be connected, but it's already automatically connecting since it's a demo. But for you, it's not going to be connected. So for those of you who are using Common App, make sure to link your accounts. So it'll take your Common App and it'll take your SchoolX account and it'll link it. So anytime that you have college applications in your Common App, it'll automatically come into your SchoolLinks. So it's a really great method because it's like you don't have to constantly add the applications to tell me where you're going. You only really have to add the applications if you're doing Apply Texas. So if you use Apply Texas, you have to add every single application individually. But how to add applications. So make sure you're paying attention to this part, okay? Because this is what we're going to have to do. So you're going to add your applications. Let's say that we're applying to Texas State University, okay? Tell me if you're in progress or if you completed it. You're going to add the application. Then next thing, you're going to tell me which method you used. Did you use the Common App or did you use Apply Texas? So we're going to say we use the Common App. We're going to check off these because we're going to apply for financial aid. We're going to save the application. And then here it's going to show you that you added the application, and it's going to your left, there's going to be a student checklist. So big thing though, guys, don't follow school links when it comes to your student checklist. You need to, when you apply to those universities, you're going to get a portal. Make sure you log into that specific university's portal with your account information, because that's going to tell you everything that you need. If you need your transcript sent, if you need your fee waiver sent, if you want to upload your recommendation, stuff like that, that's going to tell you more accurately what you need to be sent, that what needs to be sent to the school. However, when you look on the right, this is how I send your transcripts and fee waivers, okay? So everything right here is going to tell me. So the school report, that's your transcript. I'm gonna fill out your school report, and then I'm gonna attach your transcript, and then I'm gonna send it. And how to track that, you can look right here. See, James Pierce is the student that we're using as an example. He's a demo. He requested it. I'm gonna see that on my end, and then I'm gonna fill his stuff out, and then you'll be able to see it, because as soon as I send it, it'll, like, right in this area, it'll say submitted by Ricky Pettis, okay? Here is counselor recommendations and the mid-year report. For the counselor recommendations, you really, like, not all schools require a counselor recommendation. Really, it's the top schools in the nations that require it, but like a lot of Texas schools won't require it. The one that comes off in the top of my head when it comes to Texas schools is TCU and Rice University. There could be others, but it's your responsibility to look into your college portals and see if they require a counselor recommendation. So this is general. So most of the times your counselors don't have to do that. Mid-year reports, that is your transcript that's going to be sent after your first semester of your senior year. So I usually send these at the end of January, beginning of February, when everybody's transcripts are updated. And that's going to be your mid-year report. Not all schools require it, but when we talk about the prestigious universities and the hard universities to get into, those are going to usually require a mid-year report. Your school report is only going to have your stuff from your freshman year, or yeah, from your freshman year all the way to your junior year, okay? But yeah, so that's how you add applications. So always add your applications. If if Common App didn't automatically add your applications right here, make sure to add it using this blue tab. And I'm going to get a notification from you, specifically from School Links, saying, "Hey, James applied to UT. James applied to Texas State. James applied to UTSA," and then I'll be able to send your fee waivers and transcripts using that method. Okay, so that kind of sums up what I wanted to show you guys today. If you need any help, feel free to come to the College and Career Center. My email is ricky.bettis@dvisd.net. I'm really excited about this upcoming school year, guys. And yeah, let's make this year great. And thank you for tuning in to College Chats with Mr. Perez. Have a good day.
It's your thing.